mukwetebenkanisiza entebenkanisa egi abeebembezi ba Mbarara district batayayireho Entebbe zoo okureba okubine kutandikaho zoo kandi aba baganireho n'aba Uganda Wildlife Conservation Education Center.
If the zoo came, please embrace it. Provide space, support this project. We shall be very happy. For us, we have animals to provide, we have the staff to provide, so please you support this initiative.
Entebenkanisa zo kutandikaho zoo omu bicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe mu ihanga kugenderera kongera ntasi ya ihanga.
We are providing extension services across the country, and we are opening the zoos across the country. Since the establishment of Entebbe Zoo in 1952, we have never had another facility outside Entebbe. So we are planning to establish zoos across Uganda. We are going to establish the zoo in Western, in Northern and Eastern. And in Western, we are going to establish a zoo in Mbarara.
Zoo erukuza kombe ko mu rubwizi bwera kashali neeza kushtamari hika 30 kandi entebenkanisa zatandikire.
Esente nizija kuba nizirga omuzu omwe nizakora ebintu. Unless you promise us that you are going to put some the appetizers, the species, the lions, the elephants, the what? Mutaka turete romme kandi
takatwaritireho kandi omupulani yokombeka akashozi ka bwizibwera twine mu mwanya gutwaratireho ono gukorazo kinkiza kuyamba ekyo kubanza abana bitu abakubasa kwenda omugisha go kurebe ebikoko bitutine ko national park bagira omugisha go kubireba bashuhiza akasente kake
n'abantu abina amahoteli abantu bakombeka amahoteli go kuraramo endije myanya yo kushemererwamo abo kuba egizu yazaho niba niteka kutunga barambuza abo kurwa heru yihanga na no mwihanga
kandi ezo niyo one of the sources z'kweta local revenue sente zito tukora kurga omutwekaho
mpunduzi abakure abeebembezi batseya group ino kwekurunda eronda nka chimpanzee erikuba inamani engage kwasa protecting a family kana no kwasa kusharing resources anezinde mpundu so amongst them in emerge politics
then is tandika kuchu respecting.
Yes, hati yanke kinoka aruma niwe big boss wa hanoya niko hamzanti yamara kuja okano gereza nkemere zone zazirwaho tino rije kwata hamere abo kwani bagihereze kitindi secho
Muntero
eze shatero konka hezindi nazo ziri ya rank warebe mo ibatero hanoya yetashekwa ne kwate cyo kuri yecho abo kuba uri kugisinga ho rank yaro so nje bamuterori
eje yaboroga the Evans Tarema abwa TV West omuntu wa Kiso Kampala.